Hello friend, today we will practice present indefinite tense. So let's start. Child tells a lie. Child tells a lie. Children tell a lie. Children tell a lie. I always speak the truth. I always speak the truth. He always speaks the truth. He always speaks the truth. You tell a lie. You tell a lie. We go for a walk. We go for a walk. I go for a walk. I go for a walk. You go for a walk. You go for a walk. He gets up early. He gets up early. She gets up early. She gets up early. You get up late. You get up late. The birds chirp in the morning. The birds chirp in the morning. Rohan sleeps late at night. Rohan sleeps late at night. We knows. He knows me. He knows me. You know him. You know him. You know her. You know her. They know us. They know us. We know them. We know them. Ram knows me. Ram knows me. Ram knows me. I live in Chandigarh. I live in Chandigarh. I live in Chandigarh. He lives in Chandigarh. He lives in Chandigarh. She lives in Chandigarh. She lives in Chandigarh. You live in Delhi. You live in Delhi. They live in India. They live in India. You go to the temple. You go to the temple. They go to the temple. They go to the temple. Child goes to the temple. Child goes to the temple. Children go to the temple. Children go to the temple. Ram and I go to the temple. Ram and I go to the temple. I know you. I know you. I know you. He knows me. He knows me. He knows me. You know him. You know him. You know him. You know her. You know her. They know us. They know us. They know us. We know them. We know them. We know them. We live on rent. We live on rent. We live on rent. You talk too much. You talk too much. He talks too much. He talks too much. They talk too much. They talk too much. They talk too much. She talks too much. She talks too much. Rahul talks too much. Rahul talks too much. I work there. I work there. They work here. They work here. They work here. It rains. It rains. It rains. I work there. I work there. I work there. They work here. They work here. They work here. It rains. It rains. Children read newspaper. Children read newspaper. I read the stories. I read the stories. You read the books. You read the books. You read the books. The sun shines. The sun shines. The stars twinkle. The stars twinkle. The stars twinkle. Dog barks. Dog barks. I go to the temple. I go to the temple. I go to the temple. He goes to the temple. He goes to the temple. She goes to the temple. She goes to the temple. We go to the temple. We go to the temple. Dogs bark. Dogs bark. A dog bark. A dog barks. A dog barks. The sun shines. The sun shines. The sun shines. The star twinkle. The stars twinkle. The stars twinkle. Birds build nests. Birds build nests. Crows cow. Crows cow. People like a short speech. People like a short speech. Some animals hunt at night. Some animals hunt at night. Shops shut at 9 p.m. Shops shut at 9 p.m. Our shop shuts at 9 p.m. Our shop shuts at 9 p.m. Our shop opens at 9 a.m. Our shop opens at 9 a.m. The class starts at 5:30 sharp. The class starts at 5:30 sharp. The class finishes at 7. The class finishes at 7. Diwali comes once a year. Diwali comes once a year. The train for Delhi arrives on platform number 1. The train for Delhi arrives on platform number 1. My skin gets very dry. My skin gets very dry in winter. My skin gets very dry in winter. He speaks fluent English. He speaks fluent English. I think, you think, you think. He thinks, he thinks. They think, they think, they think. I lie, you lie, you lie. He lies, he lies, he lies. They lie, they lie, they lie. I admit my mistake, I admit my mistake, I admit my mistake. I go to school by cycle, I go to school by cycle. I go to an English class every day, I go to an English class every day. We play cricket in the evening, we play cricket in the evening. It rains, it rains, it rains. I go to Ram's house daily, I go to Ram's house daily. Sita goes to market with me. Sita goes to market with me. Ram eats food with Rohan. Ram eats food with Rohan. My father goes to Jaipur. My father goes to Jaipur. My father goes to Jaipur. I go to Delhi. I go to school. I go to school. I go to school. She takes a bath in the morning. She takes a bath in the morning. We weeps. He weeps. He weeps. He weeps. He weeps. They play. They play. They play. We sing a song. We sing a song. We sing a song. I take breakfast. I take breakfast. I get up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning. I laugh very loudly. I laugh very loudly. He does his homework. He does his homework. He does his homework. I watch TV for 2 hours. I watch TV for 2 hours. I read newspaper daily. I read newspaper daily. They eat apples. They eat apples. They eat apples. We go to see movie. We go to see movie. We go to see movie. We learn our lesson. We learn our lesson. We learn our lesson. Thank you for watching.